Students, again, a very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to take only economics lecture. One answer we are going to complete. Yesterday we have completed one answer of economics yesterday of second chapter. Economics second, we were in second chapter of economics and we have completed one answer of economics. Today we are going to complete second answer of the second chapter. Today only economics we are going to take. You must have written bookkeeping question. I told you to write question number, I think 11. I told you to write 11 or 13 question. Sorry, 11th question I told you to write in your accounts register, bookkeeping register. That we are going to complete tomorrow. Tomorrow we will take economics also as well as bookkeeping, but today only bookkeeping we are going to take. Let's remind each other with our dream tuition principle, the rule of dream tuition, the principle of dream tuition. That is, let's try to make today's lecture better than yesterday. Okay, let's begin today's lecture, students. Now, let's start with the news. Let's start with the news. Let's start with the news, students. Okay, all of you look at this news now. First, this one. Since fourth quarter is over, this is now the first quarter of the year. That is, we are in the month of June. The fourth quarter ended on 31st March. Fourth quarter also ended on 31st March, as well as the last complete year, the financial year also ended on 31st March. So after 2 months, that is April, May, now we are in June. So results are starting coming out of the fourth quarter, as well as the entire year result is coming out. Let's look at few results. Let's look at few results. Okay, so this is one of the result, one of the company. Let's discuss this. Ashoka Buildcon. Ashoka Buildcon is a construction company. Ashoka Buildcon is a construction company. So they have announced the result. Quarter 4, Q4 means quarter 4 result. Quarter 4 means ending on 31st March. January, February, March is this 3 months comes under the quarter 4. As well as year also get ends. So quarter 4 result post is rupees 1 lakh. Actually, they posted result and they are showing 134 crore profit. So in quarter four in 3 months, Ashoka Buildcon, this is a construction company. The company has posted a net loss of 10.20 crore, 10.23 crore in the year ago period. Okay, so in the same duration, last year they were having, that means in the fourth quarter of previous year, as compared to previous year, they were having actually in last quarter in last year they were having 10.23 crore loss. So in the same quarter this year, they have posted a profit of 134 crore. Why this Ashoka Buildcon and many companies are posting results on newspaper or websites? Because why they are not keeping with themselves? Why they are posting the results on the newspaper? Because this is a public limited company. All the public limited company have to post their results on newspapers. Okay, they have to post. It has been compulsory. We told to them that they have to post. It is the rule. And what is the reason? Because it is the investor, the shareholders are general public. People invest in these companies, so they want to know the result. That's why all the company has to post the result on social media or newspaper, in the media, print media. Okay, so student, Ashoka Buildcon on Monday reported a consolidated net profit. This is the net profit they have earned, 134.55 crore for the quarter ended March. Quarter means 3 months, and last quarter means January, February, March. In the same quarter, in the corresponding year, they were having loss actually, 10.23. So the performance of this company is good. COVID-19 is nothing to do with the current. All the quarter 4 result has nothing to do with the COVID-19 pandemic, because COVID-19 in India started from last week of the March. So the result which we are seeing now for all the companies of last quarter, it has nothing to do with the COVID-19. Okay. Ashoka Buildcon has done good since last year in the same 3 months they were having loss. Now in the same 3 months they are having profit of 134.55 crore. Let's see result of one or two more company. Let's discuss. Okay. Now this is the another company. This is the another company, JK Tire. JK Tire. So JK Tire is a company. Obviously, the name itself speaks. It's a tire company. It's a tire company. They manufacture tire, and you must be knowing this is a very popular company in India. JK Tire company in the quarter 4 they have posted a net loss. See, one company is having profit in the last quarter, and this company is having loss in the same quarter. Ashoka Buildcon, that is a construction company, they are having a good profit in the last quarter. But JK Tire company in the last quarter is having a loss of how many crores? 53 crore. Does it has to do with something? It has to do with COVID-19? Not at all. Not at all. The COVID-19 impact is going to be reflected in which quarter? In the first quarter of this year. We will see that result after June. That is, first quarter start from April, May, June. So after June, the result will be out, and there we will see the impact of actual COVID-19 pandemic. Quarter 4 result has nothing to do with the COVID-19. So JK Tire is showing loss in the last quarter. Now let's see the last result, and then we will start with your economics. SCL Infosystem. SCL is a which industry? IT industry. This is a company with IT industry, IT sector. So SCL Infosystem quarter 4 result loss widens to. So already in the last year, in the same quarter, they were in a loss. So that loss has increased. The loss has widened. Now the loss is 71 crore. So the actual pandemic COVID-19 effect, it will be more dangerous. It has not accounted the COVID-19 lockdown. So SCL Infosystem, already they are having a loss of 71 crore in the last quarter. For the full year, if you will see the full year result, loss stood at 136 crore. That means for all the quarters of the last year, all the 4 quarters for 12 months, the loss is 136 crore. SCL company's total losses for the full year is 136 crore. And in the last quarter itself, the loss is 71 crore. Okay, more than half. While revenue was at rupees 1,815. This is the sale. This is the income. Out of this income, after deducting all the expenses, see the revenue is, total income is, total revenue, total income is 1,815 crore. 1,815 crore for full year they have earned this much. And after deducting all the expenses, after subtracting all the expenses, they are in a loss of 136.33 crore. And in the quarter 4, the loss is 71 crore. So today I have discussed 3 companies' result. 3 company result we have discussed. What was the name of the first company? Do you remember what was the name of the first company? That is, which company was the first? Ashoka Buildcon. Ashoka Buildcon. They were in a profit. Second company, JK Tires. And third company, SCL Infosys. So we have discussed 3 results today. We have just seen what has happened in the last quarter as well as last year related to these 3 companies. Now let's switch to our actual lecture. That is, today we are going to cover only economics lecture. Abdul Rahman is saying that he was not able to see the news. What about other student? Were you able to see the news which I was discussing? Can you please confirm, other students? Were you able to see the news, the website page which I was showing, which I was discussing? Misbah. Okay, Misbah, you were able to see that. What about other student? Hina, yes. Rifa, yes. Abdul Rahman, all are able to see the news. Whatever I have discussed, all are able to see. There must be problem with the your phone or something. Some setting you must have changed. Okay, you have to correct from your side because all the other students are able to see. Please correct that. Okay. Now, let's discuss today's lecture. Let's complete. Sir, I saw it, but it came later. Okay. So your speed of internet is less. That means your speed of internet is little less slow. Okay. Now, students, let's complete today's and let's try to complete today's economics lecture better than previous lecture. Okay. Sorry, I'm very sorry. Just a second. Okay, student. 2 days back, 2 days back, we have started your second chapter of economics. The name of the second chapter, already we have taken 2 lectures. We have taken 2 lectures for second chapter. We are into second chapter, and we have taken 2 lectures. Already we have completed 2 lectures. This is the third lecture of your economics second chapter. Okay, and let me remind you, this Saturday, without any change, we are going to take live test. That is the first live test on bookkeeping first chapter. So be prepared for that live test. Tomorrow I will give you detail how we are going to conduct that test, but complete that topic, complete as if that is this test is a final exam of this topic for 12. In this way you should prepare. Okay, utility analysis. This is the name of the second chapter, utility analysis. Already I have told you 12th syllabus is divided into 2 types of study. Economics, we do 2 types of study or 2 types of analysis of the economics. That is micro analysis, micro study, and macro study. MIC micro and MAC macro study. So few chapters, first few chapters are related to the analysis study of microeconomics, and the remaining part of the syllabus is related to macroeconomic study. So utility is one of the concept of microeconomics. Let's understand. Already I have explained this. One page we have already completed. One big answer we have already completed of this second chapter. Still, I will just revise in 1 minute, not more than 1 minute. I'm going to just revise the entire thing, whatever we have completed in the last 2 lectures, in 1 minute. Utility. Utility means, see, in 3 lines they have explained here. Utility is the capacity of a commodity. It's the capacity of any commodity to satisfy human wants. किसी भी commodity में the power of a commodity to satisfy a human want, that power is called as utility. Utility is the capacity of a commodity. Commodity means goods, service, anything to satisfy human wants. In other words, utility is the want satisfying power of a good. किसी भी commodity में, if it is able to satisfy the human want, the extent to which it satisfies the human want, that is called as utility. So this was the meaning or introduction of the utility, which we have taken on the first day of this topic, and then we have completed one big answer till now, that is features of utility. Features of utility. We have discussed 10 features of utility. We have discussed 10 features of utility. Features means nature, characteristic. Okay. So qualities of the utility. What you understand by utility. So to clear the word utility, they have used 10 concepts. So there are 10 concepts of utility to understand utility properly. One is relative concept, that utility has to do, it has a relation with time and place. It changes according to time and place. Second, I hope you have written this full answer as well as you have done the revision. You have completed this first answer. Subjective concept. It depends on subject, person to person. Utility changes from person to person according to its likes and dislikes. Third, utility. Yesterday I have completed in detail. Again, I'm not going to explain everything. I'm just revising in 1 minute. Ethically neutral concept. Utility is ethically neutral concept. Neutral concept matlab, it's the utility must. What is the actual meaning of utility? Capacity to satisfy human want. But it is ethically neutral means what? Whether it is a good want, whether it is a bad want, whether it is a morally correct or morally incorrect. It does not explain that. It does not concerned with that. It is just concerned with satisfying human want. But whether it is good or not, utility does not explain that. Okay. Next, utility differs from usefulness. Usefulness is different and utility is different. Okay. Utility and pleasure, these two terms are different. So this was the fifth concept, fifth nature, fifth feature of the utility. Then yesterday we have discussed all this. Sixth, utility differs from satisfaction. Satisfaction meaning is different and utility's meaning is different. This also we have completed yesterday. Total 10 features we have completed for the first answer. That is features of utility. We cannot measure it in numbers. It's a hypothetical. It's an abstract concept. We cannot convert or give it in the number. It's an abstract concept. We cannot measure कितना utility हुआ है, किस commodity में कितना utility है. You cannot give in numbers. It's a psychological, it's a feeling. Okay, utility is multi-purpose. Same commodity can be used for different purpose as well as for different persons. एक ही commodity अलग अलग लोगों के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है और अलग अलग कामों के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. तो ये सब I hope आप लोगों ने attend किया, because you have to attend the first answer to understand the entire topic. It's a big topic. There are many answers, at least 5 to 6 answers are there in this one chapter, and all the answers are important. So to understand the remaining answer, first you should know the first question, that is features of utility. Utility depends on the intensity of want. Means कितना उस commodity में want satisfying power है, कितना capacity है किसी commodity में to satisfy our wants. वो depend करता है how badly we need that. If we are in need of that commodity badly, then the utility will be more. If we don't need that so badly, बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं है उस चीज की, तो उसका want satisfying power कम होगा. तो utility, that was the 9th point. 10th point, utility is the basis of demand. Demand आता कब है, पहला क्या आना चाहिए, what should be first there. किसी भी commodity में there should have some power of utility. किसी भी goods में, किसी भी service में first utility होना जरूरी है. Then only the demand will arise. किसी चीज में अगर utility नहीं है, किसी commodity, किसी service में there is no utility, that means there is no power to satisfy human wants, then there will be no demand for that commodity. ये इस तरह से 10 point yesterday we have completed under the question features of utility. So I hope आप सभी ने you have written the answer also, as well as you have read that question. Now the second question. Today we are going to complete this second question of this second topic, that is types of utility. तो कितने टाइप की यूटिलिटी है, अलग अलग टाइप की यूटिलिटी है. Let's see. Form utility, total. Let me first give you the total types of utility. There are 6 types of utility. Let's discuss each. Total 6 types की utility थे. Total how many features were there of utility? 10 features were there. कल हमने किया वो. अब आज क्या करेंगे, टाइप्स ऑफ यूटिलिटी देखेंगे, यूटिलिटी के टाइप्स देखेंगे. कल फीचर्स देखे थे. अब ये 6 टाइप्स के, there are 6 types of utility. Let's complete this. For each type you have to write at least 3 lines. हर टाइप में there are 6 types of utility, and for each type you have to write minimum 3 lines. Okay. First, form utility. मतलब utility create कब होती है? Utility create कब होती है? When we change the form of the goods. जब उसको शक्ल चेंज होती है, फॉर्म चेंज होता है, शेप चेंज होता है, then the utility is created. यूटिलिटी कब बनती है? पहला कौन सा यूटिलिटी है? फॉर्म बदलने पर एक यूटिलिटी अराइज होती है. तो वन ऑफ द टाइप ऑफ यूटिलिटी क्या है? वन ऑफ द टाइप ऑफ यूटिलिटी इज फॉर्म यूटिलिटी. मींस जब तक उसका फॉर्म चेंज नहीं करते वो यूटिलिटी क्रिएट नहीं होती. उन्होंने एग्जांपल भी दिया. सी देयर इज अ वुड, वो वुड दिया है, उसको वो वुड का कुछ यूटिलिटी नहीं है अनलेस एंड अनटिल उसको किस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, किसी फॉर्म में करेंगे, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फर्नीचर. So this is a form utility. It's created when we change the form. Okay, it is created, it comes into existence. Utility कब आती है? जब उसका form change होता है. So this is first type of utility, that is form utility. Following are the sum of the different types of utility. First is form utility. When utility is created due to change in the shape or structure of an existing material, it is called as form utility. जब हम उसका shape change करते हैं या structure change करते हैं existing material का, if any existing material, if we change the shape or structure, तो क्या create होता है? Then only what comes? Utility comes. जब इस वजह से utility आती है, because of change of form or change of structure, then that is called as form utility. It is called form utility. For example, toys made of clay. क्ले से टॉयज बना रहे हैं आप. क्ले का तो कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, लेकिन उससे अगर आप शेप दे के कोई टॉयज बनाते हो तो वो उसका यूटिलिटी आता है. फर्नीचर फ्रॉम वुड रहा तो कुछ वैल्यू नहीं है. वी कैन नॉट ब्रिंग वुड एट होम एंड कीप एंड यूज दैट. but we can demand for the wood if the form of the wood is changed into furniture. Simple. First is form utility. Now let's see the second type of utility. Okay, second type of utility is place utility. Place utility. Place का मतलब होता है when उस प्रोडक्ट को एक जगह से दूसरे जगह लेके जाते हैं, when we carry that product or transfer that product from one place to another, then it creates a utility. Then it creates the utility. Utility कब बनती है यहाँ? First case में कब बन रही थी? When we were changing the shape or structure or form, then the utility was creating. अब place utility का मतलब क्या होता है? When we shift one product from one place to another, then the utility is created. Example: when utility of commodity increases due to change in its place, उस commodity की utility बढ़ती है जब हम उसकी जगह बदलते, एक जगह से दूसरे के लेके जाते हैं. It is called as place utility. For example, woolen clothes have more utility at cold places. क्लियर हो गया आपको? अच्छा, ऑलरेडी जहां हॉट क्लाइमेट है तो वहां वुलन क्लॉथ का उतनी यूटिलिटी नहीं होगी जितना कोल्ड प्लेसेस में होगी. क्लियर हो गया आपको? उस सिटीज में, उस प्लेसेस में वेयर देयर इज अ कोल्ड, तो वहां उसकी यूटिलिटी वुलन क्लॉथ की क्या होगी? ज्यादा होगी. तो वहां इस तरह से क्या होगा? प्लेस यूटिलिटी. एक जगह से दूसरे की जब लेके जाते हैं तो उसकी यूटिलिटी क्या हो जाती है? बढ़ जाती है. तो ऐसा अगर हो रहा है किसी चीज का, किसी प्रोडक्ट का, तो उसको कहेंगे दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ प्लेस यूटिलिटी. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल वुलन क्लोथ्स हैव मोर यूटिलिटी एट कोल्ड प्लेसेस रेदर देन एट वार्म प्लेसेस. ट्रांसपोर्ट क्रिएट्स, और ट्रांसपोर्ट की वजह से पॉसिबल होता है, क्या पॉसिबल होता है? प्लेस यूटिलिटी. ट्रांसपोर्ट की वजह से पॉसिबल होता है प्लेस यूटिलिटी. अच्छा, एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल, अभी मैंगो सीजन इज ओवर, यू नो. आपूस आम जो हम इट्स इन वेरी डिमांडिंग समर, तो आप जैसे हम पूछ के लेते हैं फ्रॉम वेयर इट इज, फ्रॉम विच प्लेस इट इज, है ना. आपूस आम से अल्फोंसो, आपूस आम कैसे पूछते हैं हम? कहाँ के है? क्लियर हो गया आपको? रत्नागिरी के है, देवगढ़ के है. क्लियर? ये तो नहीं पूछते हम सोलापुर के है, मुमरा के है, मुंबई के है, मुलुंड के है, ऐसा तो नहीं पूछते. बट वी आस्क द प्लेस, ये कहाँ के आम है. क्लियर? उसके हिसाब से उसका रेट होता है, उसके हिसाब से उसकी यूटिलिटी बढ़ जाती है ना. तो उसी तरह से बिकॉज वी कैरी. अच्छा, देवगढ़ के, रत्नागिरी के अगर आपूस आम है, अल्फांसो मैंगोस है, तो वहां तो है यूटिलिटी, बट इट क्रिएट्स मोर यूटिलिटी व्हेन इट चेंजेस द प्लेस फ्रॉम देयर टू इन मुंबई और इन सोलापुर और एनी अदर प्लेसेस ऑफ इंडिया. तो उसकी यूटिलिटी क्या हो जाती है? बढ़ जाती है. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज, दिस इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ प्लेस यूटिलिटी. ओके, here also they have given the same image. Actually they have given कि we are यहाँ के बाहर भी जाते हैं तो वहां प्लेस यूटिलिटी चेंज होने की वजह से प्लेस इट हैज मोर यूटिलिटी. ओके, तो सेकंड वाज प्लेस यूटिलिटी. पहला कौन सा था स्टूडेंट? फॉर्म. दूसरा क्या था? प्लेस. एंड व्हिच क्रिएट्स द प्लेस यूटिलिटी? व्हाट क्रिएट्स द प्लेस यूटिलिटी? ट्रांसपोर्ट क्रिएट्स द, जब उसको ट्रांसपोर्ट किया जाता है फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, इट क्रिएट्स द प्लेस यूटिलिटी. टोटल 6 टाइप्स ऑफ यूटिलिटीज आर देयर. आई होप दो समझ गए. तीसरा है सर्विस यूटिलिटी. सर्विस मींस a professional service. Service utility arises when the personal services are rendered. Rendered means when it is given. When the services are given, personal services are rendered by various professionals. For example, services of doctor, teachers, lawyers, as well as etc. लिखा है, CAs, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स. क्लियर हो गया आपको? जब ये सर्विसेज दिया जाता है तो उनकी क्या होती है? यूटिलिटी बढ़ जाती है. तो प्रोफेशनल सर्विस की यूटिलिटी is created because of when the service is given. When the service is given by professional, then it creates a service utility. Example, at the end of the year, income tax सबको भरना होता है, तो where they go, यूटिलिटी किसकी बढ़ती है? सर्विसेज की बढ़ती है. किसके सर्विस की बढ़ती है? CS की. Because you have to go there and submit your documents, all the transactions, and the CA will tell you how much tax you have to pay. तो ये प्रोफेशनल सर्विस की यूटिलिटी क्रिएट होती है. तो ये हर जगह नहीं हो रही ना, ये किसी एक पर्टिकुलर सर्विस की क्या हो रही? यूटिलिटी क्रिएट हो रही. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज सर्विस यूटिलिटी. आई होप तीनों यूटिलिटी समझ में आ गया आपको. वापस अच्छा, एक न्यूज रह गया, कुछ मैं एक इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज बताने वाला था. लेट मी सी फर्स्ट दैट न्यूज whether it is available or not. Just a second. First, एक न्यूज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था. Let me see whether it is available or not. Just a second. SCL, just a second. Okay, whether it is available? No, it's not available. I will show that tomorrow. I will. Okay, there is that news about Tata Motors. Just watch this news. Just watch this news. Q4 earnings, Tata Motor report massive. Tata Motors का लॉस कितना हुआ? Auto major, one of the big company in auto sector, that is Tata Motors, 9,864 crore net loss for the March quarter, in one quarter, just in one quarters. आप देख रहे हो जहां हमने अशोका बिल्डकॉन का देखा था, थोड़ा बहुत करोड़ प्रॉफिट था, फिर जेके टायर्स का फ्यू करोड़ ऑफ लॉस था, यहाँ लॉस इज गोइंग इनटू thousands of crore, 9,000 crore net loss for the March quarter. ये रिजल्ट उन्होंने डिक्लेयर कब किया? 15 जून को. Okay, and who is telling about this news? This I'm not talking about this news reporter. देखो कंपनी की तरफ से who is coming in front. Just see, just watch. उसमें जो लॉस हुआ है वो JLR is actually it's a UK company जो टाटा मोटर्स ने खरीदा. टाटा मोटर्स has purchased this company few years back. जैक रोवर क्लियर, ये जो कंपनी है ये यूके की कंपनी थी जो टाटा मोटर्स ने खरीदा. वो लॉस भी यहाँ आ गया, वो लॉस भी बैलेंस शीट में आया है टाटा मोटर्स के. तो वो लॉस कितना है? 501 मिलियन पाउंड्स. तो वो कंपनी जो यूके की कंपनी जो टाटा मोटर्स ने फ्यू इयर्स बैक खरीदा था, जैक रोवर, तो वो जो कंपनी खरीदा था उसका भी लॉस ज्यादा होने की वजह से टोटल लॉस टाटा मोटर्स का ज्यादा दिख रहा है. So from management who is coming in the media and speaking, just see, just watch this. Okay, who is this person? PB Balaji. PB Balaji. Who is this? He is one of the management. He is one of the management person. Tata Motors का management person है. And what is the post of this person? Tata Motors में he is what? CFO. CFO. Okay. So CFO is a commerce background student, commerce background candidate. So he is from a commerce background, chief financial officer. He is coming in front of in the media on behalf of Tata Motors and explaining why this is loss and what they are planning in future, everything. If you are planning in commerce to do a job, if you don't want to do any business but you want to work in commerce, then at least minimum, and that too if you want to work in private, this is the minimum target you should think of, that is CFO. So this person also has done commerce like you. Okay, so there are many people who do commerce, but this is the way you should do commerce. This is the aim you should have in commerce. Okay, that's all. My intention was just to bring this first person in front of you. Now let's continue with your lecture. So we were discussing about different types of utility. First was farm utility. Second was place utility. When we move that commodity from one place to another place, the utility increases for that commodity. Then the service utility, because of personal service rendered, the utility created, which is only given through service by a professional. Okay, so this is the third utility type, that is service utility. Now fourth, knowledge utility. The fourth is knowledge utility. That is when a consumer acquires knowledge. When a consumer acquires knowledge about a particular product, it is called as knowledge utility. जब कोई consumer किसी product के बारे में knowledge हासिल करता है, तो उसकी यूटिलिटी बढ़ जाती है. When we don't have a knowledge of that particular product, we don't feel, we don't know or understand the importance of that product. Okay, suppose there is one old age person in your house, and she or he, whoever, suppose there is a person, old age person in your house, who don't know how to use Android phone. So that Android phone does not have any utility for that person. Okay, once that old age person understand, get knowledge how to use that Android phone, then the utility is created. So this is one example I'm giving you. So with knowledge, the utility gets created. Okay, so this was an example of knowledge utility. When we get the knowledge of that product, the utility is created for that product. The want satisfying power is created in that product. So when a consumer acquired knowledge about a particular product, it is called knowledge utility. For example, utility of a mobile phone or a computer increases when a person knows about its various function. Okay, किसी भी चीज का एग्जांपल दिया है, मोबाइल फोन एंड कंप्यूटर, जब तक नहीं मालूम रहता है तो उसमें वांट सेटिस्फाइंग पावर हमारे लिए नहीं रहता है. बट व्हेन वी अंडरस्टैंड द यूज, हाउ टू यूज एंड डिफरेंट फीचर, द यूटिलिटी इज क्रिएटेड फॉर दैट कमोडिटी इन अस. तो हमारे लिए वो यूटिलिटी क्या हो जाती है, उस कमोडिटी के लिए क्रिएट हो जाती है व्हेन वी एक्वायर द नॉलेज ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट और feature. I hope you have understood this. 4. There are total 6. Already we have discussed 4 types of utility. What was the first? Firm utility. Firm means, actually last may we will revise. Now let's complete the remaining types of utility. Already 4 we have completed. Now 2 is left. सिर्फ 2 रह गया है and we will complete this answer. देखो मैं पूरा समझाऊंगा. Let me complete this 2 types of utility first and complete this answer, and then I will revise everything. Possession utility. Possession utility का मतलब होता है when we acquire that, when we possess that. जब तक वो हमारे पास नहीं आता है वो हम उसको utility, there is no utility for that product. When we possess that product, तो उसकी utility क्या हो जाती है, बढ़ जाती है. Possession utility arises when the ownership of good is transferred from one person to another. Okay, तो utility बढ़ जाती है जब वो possession एक पर्सन से दूसरे पर्सन पे क्या हो जाता है, ट्रांसफर हो जाता है. जब वो हम एक्वायर करते हैं तो यूटिलिटी क्या हो जाती है, हमारे लिए वो बढ़ जाती है फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर गुड, सर्विस और एनीथिंग. फॉर एग्जांपल, ट्रांसफर ऑफ गुड्स फ्रॉम सेलर टू द बायर. तो जब सेलर से बायर के पास आ जाता है तो बायर के पास क्या होता है, यूटिलिटी बढ़ जाती है. सी इन दिस इमेज दे आर शोइंग सेलर. सेलर इज होल्डिंग वन फ्रूट. Seller is holding that one fruit and these 2 children are buyers. So utility अभी तक उनके पास नहीं आई. When this possession of this fruit is with the children, then the utility will be created for this children, that is this buyers. So this is called as possession utility. जब वो हाथ में आती है हमारे, जब वो हमारे possession में आता है, when we acquire that thing, the utility is created. This is called as possession utility. And the last type of utility is time utility. Time utility, very good. This is the last type of utility. When the utility of a commodity increases with a change in its time of utilization. When the utility of commodity increases with a change in its time of utilization, it is called as time utility. जब utility बढ़ जाती है, जब वक्त पे इस्तेमाल करने की वजह से, on time, if you are using that commodity, then the utility increases. They are showing the blood actually packet. They are showing blood bank packet. They are showing the blood bank which they are storing that blood will increase the utility of that blood when it is actually required. When it is actually required on a particular time, on particular incident, then the utility gets more for that blood which is stored in the blood bank. This is called as time utility. When the utility of a commodity increases with the change in its time utilization, it is called time utility. For example, a student has more utility for textbook. ठीक है, टेक्स्टबुक की मोर यूटिलिटी होती है. आई होप आप ऐसे स्टूडेंट नहीं हो. आई होप यू आर नॉट दिस टाइप ऑफ स्टूडेंट. देखो एग्जांपल क्या दे रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, a student has more utility for textbook during examination than in the vacation. Okay, ये ठीक है. Vacation में obviously we too don't use the book, but the whole year we use, not only at the time of exam. We should use the books whole year. So ये कह सकते हैं whole year the utility of the books will be more as compared to in the vacation. ये ठीक रहेगा. Okay, for you all. टाइम यूटिलिटी, तो टाइम क्या है, वेकेशन के टाइम द बुक्स हैज नो यूटिलिटी, बट फुल ईयर और स्पेशली एट द टाइम ऑफ एग्जाम इट हैज मोर यूटिलिटी. बुक्स हैज मोर यूटिलिटी. तो टाइम के हिसाब से क्या होता है, यूटिलिटी बढ़ जाता है. तो जब टाइम के, देखो ये फर्क क्यों हो रहा है, व्हाई इट इज चेंजिंग, because of time. Exam time, vacation time. तो ये टाइम के वजह से क्या हो रहा है, यूटिलिटीज इंक्रीजिंग. तो दिस इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ टाइम यूटिलिटी. टाइम यूटिलिटी इज आल्सो ऑब्जर्व. और एक एग्जांपल दे रहे, व्हेन गुड्स आर स्टोर्ड एंड यूज्ड एट द टाइम ऑफ स्कैरसिटी. तो गुड्स रखा जाता है और उसको इस्तेमाल किया जाता है when it is actually required, that is at the time of scarcity. For example, they are giving the example of blood bank. वो तो मैंने already दिया. Let me give one different example. Cold drinks. Cold drinks. Cold drinks का मैं कुछ आपको समझाना चाहता हूँ. I want to explain one thing related to cold drink. Cold drink is hugely demanded in summer. बराबर. Cold drink is huge in demand at the time of summer. But in the winter, they don't have, the demand of cold drink is very, very less as compared to summer. But they don't stop the production. They keep producing the cold drinks whole year and keep it in their storage. They brings that cold drink out at the time of summer when it has a huge demand. But the production is they keep on producing for the full year. Full year वो manufacture करते रहते cold drinks. They keep storing those manufactured cold drink in some storage. But when the summer comes, they bring those out in the market. So ये time के हिसाब से क्या हो रहा है, उस product का क्या हो रहा है, utility क्या हो रही है, increase हो रही है. So this is the last type of utility, that is time utility. Okay, student, ये 6 तरह के types of utility था. कुछ उन्होंने images बताया है. देखो अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है, अभी और 10 मिनट इंपॉर्टेंट हमें कवर करना है, तब जाके पूरा क्लियर समझेगा. ओके, फ्यू एग्जांपल्स दे आर शोइंग. समर का एग्जांपल दे रहे हैं. बीच में देखो इस तरह से कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स या आइसक्रीम का डिमांड आ रहा है. दिस इज एन एग्जांपल, दिस इमेज इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ व्हिच टाइप ऑफ यूटिलिटी, टाइम यूटिलिटी. ओके, अगेन दिस इज एग्जांपल ऑफ टाइम यूटिलिटी. क्लियर हो गया आपको? ये तीनों एग्जांपल उन्होंने एक्चुअली उसी के दिए. देखो 2.6a, 2.6b, 2.6 को टाइम यूटिलिटी का ही उन्होंने एग्जांपल दिया. warm clothes in, ये जो लास्ट इमेज है, warm clothes in that is winter. क्लियर हो गया? तो ये सब उन्होंने टाइम यूटिलिटी का एग्जांपल दिया. अभी ये भी खत्म करना है आज हमें, कंसेप्ट ऑफ यूटिलिटी. दिस इज आल्सो वन आंसर वी हैव टू कंप्लीट टुडे इटसेल्फ. ओके, लेकिन बिफोर दैट लेट्स discuss this few question. Let's see whether you are able to answer this or not. Don't give answer in live classroom, give it to yourself. I will just put the question in front of you all. Following are the various type of utility and their respective example. आप इसमें से आप give the answer to yourself. Find which type of utility it is. Arrange the information in the forms of pair. Okay, types of utility देखो आपको arrange करना है. टाइम यूटिलिटी एक है, पोजीशन यूटिलिटी एक है, सर्विस यूटिलिटी एक, एंड प्लेस यूटिलिटी एक. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल, नाउ आंसर टू योरसेल्फ. अ डेंटिस्ट गिविंग डेंटल ट्रीटमेंट टू अ पेशेंट. कौन सी यूटिलिटी है? इज इट अ टाइम यूटिलिटी? देयर आर 6 टाइप ऑफ यूटिलिटी. इज इट अ टाइम यूटिलिटी? इज इट अ पोजीशन यूटिलिटी? इज इट अ सर्विस यूटिलिटी? और इज इट अ प्लेस यूटिलिटी? ओके, चलो चैट बॉक्स में लेट मी सी व्हाट आंसर यू आर गिविंग. आई वुड लाइक टू सी द आंसर. अ डेंटिस्ट गिविंग डेंटल ट्रीटमेंट टू अ पेशेंट. Okay, I will check the chat box. मिनास ने बोला है सर्विस यूटिलिटी. अब्दुल रहमान सर्विस यूटिलिटी. रोशनी सर्विस यूटिलिटी. Very good. Service utility, Zehra, service utility. Very good. All of you understood. In fact, all the students have given the same answer. All the students have given the same answer. That is very good. Very good. Now let's see the second question. Let's see the second question. A farmer selling rice stored in the warehouse. Sorry. A mountaineer using oxygen cylinder at high altitude. Let's see. This is very interesting answer. A mountaineer using oxygen cylinder at a high altitude. Which type of utility is this? Okay, I will not disclose the answer. Students have started giving the answer. Only one student till now has given the answer of the second question, Minas. But I am not going to disclose that answer. I am waiting for other student answer. Minas has already given the answer. For second, only one student. Okay, I knew it. The answer will be now varying. Okay, 3 students have given the answer. Out of that, 2 is correct. Still, I am waiting for other student answer. Let me see what other students are telling. Only 3 are able to give the answer. Okay, so I am not going to say who has given the wrong answer, but let me give the name who has given the right answer. Minas and Misbah are correct. Minas and Misbah are correct. It's an example of place utility. It's an example of place. एक जगह से ऊपर लेके जा रहे हैं, नीचे से ऊपर लेके जा रहे हैं, वहां उसकी जरूरत पड़ रही है. This is an example of place utility. Very good. Now let's see the third question. Third question. Okay. A farmer selling rice stored in the warehouse at the end of the season. Farmer selling rice. The farmer is selling rice at the end of the season, which he has stored in the warehouse. What is this? What is this now? Okay, one student, Arbas, has given time utility. Yes, it's an example of time utility. It's an example of time utility or possession utility. Two answers are coming. Possession utility or time utility. Let's see. Two types of answers students are giving. Time utility and possession utility. Okay, let's discuss again that question. Let's see that question again. Okay. A farmer selling rice stored in the warehouse at the end of the season. No, it's an example of time utility. It's an example of, let me see, a few more students have given the example. Yes, ASEAN is correct. Rifa is correct. Okay, Hina is also correct. It's an example of time utility. Very good. Not a possession utility. Possession utility is for customer. For customer. In this case, they are talking about the seller. When the possession, what is the example of possession utility? When the customer gets possession with him, then it creates a utility. Here, there is no customer. Here, they are talking about only the seller. So it's a time utility. Very good, Minas. Now you have corrected that. Good. Okay, Minas. Good. Chalo. Let's discuss the last question. Let's discuss the last question of today's whatever answer we have completed. A retail trader. Now all of you give this last answer. A retail trader purchasing 100 chairs from the wholesale. Dekho, a retail trader purchasing 100 chairs from the wholesale trader. Now give me the answer. Give me the answer. Which type of utility is this? Which type of utility is this? I think Muneza will be able to give the answer because she has just joined the lecture. She has just joined the lecture. So she must be knowing the answer of this. Okay. What is this example? What is the type of utility? Fourth. Give me only one answer. One student is giving both the answer. Give me one answer. Okay. I knew a few students are going to get trapped in my words. Okay, few students are telling form utility. Few students are telling form utility. They got trapped in my words because I have given stress on furniture. Just because I have stressed the word furniture, they thought of example of wood and furniture. No, that is not the right answer. The correct answer is possession utility. Possession utility. I intentionally stress the word on furniture so that you remind yourself of that example of furniture. That was wrong. The correct answer is possession utility. When the possession is with the retailer from the wholesaler, the utility is created. Here in this case, wholesaler is the seller and retailer is the buyer, consumer. When it is possessed, the possession is get by whom? Retailer. The utilities get created. So it is an example of possession utility. Okay. Now let's switch back to that page, economics page. So we have completed today one more answer. Still one more answer we are going to complete. Still one more short answer we are going to complete today. And we are going to end. Today, as I told you in the beginning of the lecture, only economics we are going to take today. Okay. So which answer we have completed now? This is the third answer of your chapter. Achha, what is the first answer? This is the third day of this second chapter. This is the third day of the second chapter. What is the first question of this chapter? That is meaning or introduction of utility. You should write that. What is the second question of this answer which you have to write in your notebook? That is features of economics. Sorry, features of utility. And how many points you have to write? 10 points. 10 points you have to write of features. Okay, that we have completed yesterday. Today, which answer we have completed? Third answer. What is the third question? that is types of utility. How many types of utility are there? 6 types of utility are there. First is form utility. We have completed just now this answer, as well as we have discussed the example also, question also. Form utility. Second is place utility. Third is what? Service utility. Fourth is knowledge utility. Fifth is what? Possession utility. And sixth is time utility. You have to write down this third question also, as well as answer in your economics register, economics book, as well as revise one more time today itself. Okay, now last part of today's lecture. Few students have joined very late. Arman as well as Maneza. You should join on time. You all should join on time. Okay, the last part of today's lecture. Let's complete this small part. Concept of utility. Okay, utility is actually itself is a concept. Utility is also a concept. But in utility, there are two concepts. That is total utility. Concept is nothing but words to analyze, to understand more properly the utility. So in utility, there are two concepts. These concepts help us to analyze, to understand this original concept. To understand utility, there are two more concepts. That is total utility. What do you mean by total utility? And what do you mean by marginal utility? Let's complete this part also. Then we will properly end this today's lecture. Following are the two main concepts of utility. Now let's understand what is the meaning of total utility and what is the meaning of marginal utility. Total utility refers to aggregate. It's very easy concept. Just complete this. So let's complete this. Total utility refers to aggregate means sum up. When you add all the units, when you add all the utility, that is adding all. Aggregate of utility derived by the consumer from all units of a commodity consumed. When we consume all the commodity, actually utilities in the commodity, utilities in the commodity, when we consume more than one commodity, and after consuming each commodity, we are going to get some utility. So the total of all the commodity utility is called as total utility. Let's take an example. If I am in need of an apple, if I am in need of an apple, I am badly in need of an apple, I want to eat an apple, I am eating that apple, so I will derive some utility from that apple. Okay, I am going to derive some utility from that apple. I am going to eat 2 apples. So in 1 apple, I will get more utility. In second apple, some utility. If I am going to eat 1 more, then some more utility. If I am going to eat 3 apples, so total of each utility which I derive from first, second, and third is called as total utility. I hope you understood the meaning of total utility. It is an aggregate of utilities from all success units. Success units at the same time, in succession, one after another at the same time. Success units of a commodity consumed. कोई भी हो सकती चीज. I have given example of fruit, that is apple. So utility derived from each commodity, successive units of commodity, the total of all the units of utility, that is called as total utility. Now what is marginal utility? What is marginal utility? Marginal utility refers to additional utility. Additional utility derived by a consumer from an additional unit of a commodity consumed. Okay, suppose let's take the same example. In first, I'm eating the apple and I'm in need of an apple. I have eaten the first apple. So let's take an example just for the sake of understanding. I have derived 100 utility. How much utility I got after consuming the first unit of apple? 100. I have ate the second apple. Okay. I have derived 60 units. 60 units, yeah, 60. Let's take it in number. First, I derived 100. Then second, what was the utility number? 60. So total utility number is what? In first, I got 100, and the second, I got utility after consuming the second apple, 60. So total utility is 160. So this was the explanation of the first point. That is total utility. Then how you are going to calculate the total utility? May say I have to deduct the. So after consuming 2, how much total utility I got? 160. So I have to subtract the first utility, previous utility, which I derived from the first. So I will deduct from 160. I will deduct the utility of the previous. That is total 100. That means how much left? 60. So this is what? Margin. The extra margin I got after consuming the next one. That is called as marginal utility. Okay. So marginal utility refers to additional utility derived by a consumer from an additional unit of a commodity consumed. In other words, it is the addition made by the last unit of a commodity consumed. Let's understand with some formula. They have given some formula. Till here we have to complete. Till here we have to complete today's lecture. This is related to both the concept, that is total utility and marginal utility. They have represented that in some formula. Formula is explaining the relationship between total utility and marginal utility. TU stand for total utility. This symbol stand for summation. Summation is total of all the marginal utility. Or totality, how total utility come? Suppose I have eaten to consume 3 apples. So utility derived from the first, utility derived from the second apple, utility derived from the third. Total of these 3 will be TU. Or you can write marginal utility of first, marginal utility of 2, marginal utility of 3, and till n. How many, whatever numbers you have consumed, whatever number n means total number of units. Okay, so all the addition of units which I have consumed will come to what? Total utility. All the marginal utility, when we add, it becomes a total utility. Now, how to find marginal utility of any number? N stand for any number. So total utility and जो total हुआ है अभी तक पूरा जितना अभी तक कंज्यूम किया है उसमें से प्रीवियस वाला माइनस करेंगे. टोटल यूटिलिटी जो प्रीवियस वाले तक हो गया था टोटल, वो लास्ट की जो टोटल हुई थी, वो प्रीवियस की जो टोटल हुई थी सेकंड लास्ट की, वो लास्ट के टोटल में से क्या करेंगे? माइनस करेंगे. सपोज 5 एप्पल्स आर कंज्यूम, तो 5th तक की जो टोटल यूटिलिटी एग्रीगेट हो गई थी, तो 5th की जो है वो 4th से क्या होगी, जो टोटल होगी उसमें से माइनस होगी. देन वी विल कम टू नो द मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी, वेयर TU स्टैंड फॉर टोटल यूटिलिटी, MU स्टैंड फॉर मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी, M1, M2, M3 these are the marginal utility of each unit, and MUN stand for marginal utility of n. वो 1 भी हो सकता है, वो 2 भी हो सकता है, any number, 3 भी हो सकता है. टोटल यूटिलिटी ऑफ टोटल nth लेवल, जहां तक आप गए हैं, जितना कंज्यूम किया है वो n, और n-1 मींस टोटल यूटिलिटी एट प्रीवियस लेवल. अगर मैंने 10 कंज्यूम किया है तो 9th से माइनस होगा, 9th की टोटल यूटिलिटी से माइनस होगा. सो दिस वाज द रिलेशन बिटवीन टोटल यूटिलिटी एंड मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी. नीचे और उसको कल डिटेल में हम देखेंगे. सो टुडे व्हाट वी हैव कंप्लीटेड, टुडे वी हैव कंप्लीटेड full one answer, which is the third answer of this book, that is types of utility, as well as we have started one big answer, that is concept of utility. वो concept क्या? Total utility and marginal utility. So tomorrow we will complete this big answer, relationship between total utility and marginal utility with numbers. We will try to understand with some numbers. Okay, we have just started that. Tomorrow we will complete this 4th answer. Till now 3 complete answers we have completed. Again I am repeating 3 answers we have completed till now. That is first meaning or introduction of utility. First we have discussed. You have to write that. Second question, that is features of utility. 10 points you have to write. In each point 2 lines you have to write. And the third question is types of utility. There were 6 types of utility today we discussed, and in each type you have to write minimum 3 lines, because only 6 points are there. So minimum 3 lines per point you have to write. Okay, student. I hope you have understood today's lecture. I hope please show me your thumb, virtual thumb, if you have understood today's lecture. Very good. Minas, very good, very good. All the students are raising. I'm happy. Roshni, very good. All the students are raising. It's a good sign. Very good. But all the students join on time and do prepare for Saturday's test. Tomorrow we are going to take bookkeeping as well as economics. We'll continue economics as well as we are going to take bookkeeping. Which sum we are going to take? 11 sum from your textbook. 11 sum from your textbook. Do prepare as well as draw all the formats as well as write the question in your accounts register. Thank you for attending lecture to students. Take care, be safe, stay at home, be safe. Good day.